Welcome to 5270 Harwood Lane, a home that has been loved and cared for, and now you get to enjoy. Come with me. This home has been completely remodeled. It's a single family, 3-bedroom, 2-bathroom, and 2-car garage. Brand new kitchen with modern appliances and added pantry for storage. Enjoy winding down on your screened-in patio, enjoying lakefront views. There are flowers planted throughout the property just waiting for season to bloom. It's just minutes to the Florida Turnpike and less than 10 miles to the Wellington Equestrian Center. Don't miss the opportunity to own this home.